Your ancestors in India. How might you find your connections in your family history with India? Well, India is a huge country. It's the biggest democracy in the world. It's a fast-moving, vibrant place. If you've ever travelled there, you'll know the thrill of travelling around India, exploring the history and the culture, tasting the food, looking at the dress and the customs, so many of which have had an influence on the UK. India as we know it today probably started around 1526 with the Mughal Empire. India today is organised into 29 states and 7 union territories, including the National Capital Territory. These territories are run by administrators appointed by the President. If you've read about the history of India, you'll know about the HEIC, the Honourable East India Company. This has a key connection with the UK, the British Raj, and was the basis of the British Raj in India. In 1947, the HEIC records were transferred to the British Library, and you can have a look at their catalogue for what exists. The records will include birth and baptism and also passenger lists. Have a look at my blog for September 2018 for further information and for those key links, which you can click on and will take you straight through to the archives and websites mentioned. Don't forget I have a course for beginners on my website and also a free and paid for newsletter. The paid for newsletter is very suitable if you are an intermediate or advanced researcher. So have a browse on my website and I look forward to seeing you sign up.